Hello to all of you guys. Today we will see the best workers' inventions in many parts of the world. Thanks to these techniques, things get done faster. People save time. You can also find many new things. If you want more such videos to come, you can support us by liking this video. So let's start.
Special laser for cleaning iron waste.
A water-based joint filler is applied on hardwood floors for durability.
This worker laid an entire floor in minutes using epoxy.
Moving robotics smooths out wet plaster.
Fix flooring gaps with quickset and self-leveling concrete.
A skilled young man paints beautiful pictures on the wall. How much you appreciate his work.
These builders are erecting a supporting wall of Kuba stone. Stones are placed in cages made of durable galvanized steel. Such a wall provides greater strength and safety as a support. Their implementation is quick and easy. A small crane is enough to lay them down.
They leave traces of brushotka. Foam for wall insulation keeps the heat in the house.
This is how fast a highly skilled painter and decorator works.
The craftsman does his job very well. A way to clean dirty brooms. They do it as if they were laying paving stones on the asphalt.
Here's a tool used to fill in long concrete cracks in one single motion.
An irrigation ditch is smoothed out with a bucket attachment.
Okay, don't think about it, just hit the like button. Do it. Do it right now. Then subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on our future videos. Alright, you're almost done. All that's left to do is click on the bell icon so you get notified when our videos are uploaded. There! You did it. I'm proud of you. See you next time.